Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part.
Accounting software pricing sometimes feels like ordering coffee at a fancy cafe. You just want something simple, and suddenly you're choosing between 5 plans, add-ons, discounts, and a barista judging your life choices. So let's skip the fluff and talk money first, starting with ClearBooks and then FreeAgent. ClearBooks has one of the most transparent pricing structures in the UK accounting space, especially if you're a sole trader or landlord. For sole traders with basic needs, ClearBooks offers a completely free plan that supports MTD, income tax quarterly updates, year-end tax returns, income and expense tracking, automated bank feeds, invoice creation, CIS support, and unlimited transactions. If you want more automation and time savings, the Sole Trader plan costs £5 per month, plus VAT, and adds receipt and bill scanning. Unlimited bank feeds with matching automation. Custom invoices, quotes, full business reporting including balance sheets, unlimited users, phone support, and accountant tools like journals and audit logs. For VAT registered sole traders, the Sole Trader plus VAT plan costs £15 per month plus VAT and includes MTD VAT submissions, flat rate VAT support, and domestic reverse charge handling. Landlords also get a free plan for UK property owners, covering MTD reporting, income and expense tracking, bank feeds, and accountant access, with a paid landlord plan announced but not yet fully launched. For limited companies and larger organisations, ClearBooks pricing scales from £7.50 per month for small businesses, £15.50 per month for medium organisations, and £20.50 per month for larger operations, with features expanding into VAT submissions, purchase orders, CIS reporting, budgeting, multi-currency, and fixed assets. Free agent pricing works very differently and depends heavily on your business type. For limited companies, free agent costs £16.50 per month when billed monthly, or £165 per year when billed annually, which works out to about £13.75 per month, excluding VAT. For partnerships or LLPs, pricing drops to £13.50 per month or £135 per year. Sole traders pay £9.50 per month or £95 per year, and landlords get the lowest paid tier at £5 per month or £50 per year. Many UK businesses can access Free Agent entirely free if they bank with NatWest, Royal Bank of Scotland, Ulster Bank, or use a Metal business account, as long as the account remains active. Now shifting into ClearBooks features, the platform is designed for clarity, compliance, and minimal learning curve. ClearBooks focuses on making HMRC obligations feel routine rather than stressful. It supports MTD income tax and VAT, automated bank feeds with smart matching, invoice creation, quotes, expense tracking, receipt capture, and real-time reporting. CIS functionality is built in rather than bolted on, which is a huge plus for contractors and subcontractors. ClearBooks also offers strong accountant collaboration, allowing journals, audit trails, lock dates, and clean year-end handovers without messy exports. Where ClearBooks really stands out is accessibility. The interface is straightforward, reporting is readable, and the system avoids overwhelming users with unnecessary complexity. It's built for people who want to stay compliant without becoming amateur accountants. The pros of ClearBooks are its transparent pricing, generous free plans, strong HMRC alignment, and simplicity. It's especially attractive for sole traders, landlords, and small UK businesses that want reliable compliance without paying enterprise-level fees. The cons are that advanced automation, deep integrations, and custom workflows are more limited compared to larger platforms, and growing businesses may eventually outgrow its feature ceiling. FreeAgent takes a very different approach compared to most accounting platforms, putting automation, tax intelligence, and accountant-ready structure at the center of everything it does. It's built specifically for UK businesses and feels less like generic software and more like a quiet financial assistant that's always running in the background. From the moment you connect your bank account, FreeAgent starts organizing your numbers in a way that mirrors how accountants think, which is exactly why so many UK firms recommend it. One of FreeAgent's biggest strengths is tax automation. It automatically calculates income tax, corporation tax, VAT, dividends, and CS liabilities in real time as transactions come in. Instead of guessing what you owe, you get clear tax timelines showing upcoming payments, estimated amounts, and deadlines well in advance. This dramatically reduces surprises and cash flow shocks, especially for sole traders and limited company directors. FreeAgent is fully compliant with Making Tax Digital for VAT and income tax, and it includes built-in year-end reporting, making compliance feel routine rather than stressful. Beyond tax, FreeAgent offers a full accounting toolkit. You can create and send invoices, set up recurring invoices, track expenses, capture receipts via mobile, and reconcile bank transactions automatically. Project tracking and time tracking are included, making it useful for freelancers, contractors, and service-based businesses. Multi-currency support allows international transactions, while detailed reports such as profit and loss, balance sheets, cash flow forecasts, and performance summaries give you a clear view of your business health at any moment. For limited companies, FreeAgent really shines. It supports director loan accounts, dividend tracking, payroll integrations, capital allowances, and accurate corporation tax estimates. These features are often missing or locked behind higher tiers in other platforms. Everything is structured to keep books accountant ready, reducing year-end back and forth and making handovers smooth. This is one of the reasons accountants trust FreeAgent so heavily. The data is clean, consistent, and logically organized. The pros of FreeAgent are its deep automation, tax clarity, and reliability. It's one of the strongest tools available for UK businesses that want hands-off compliance and accurate financial visibility without constantly second-guessing their numbers. It's especially powerful for businesses that want to grow without rebuilding their accounting system later. Accountants frequently recommend it because it reduces errors, saves time, and supports proper financial discipline. The cons are flexibility and pricing. FreeAgent can feel expensive if you don't qualify for the bank-linked free access through NatWest, Royal Bank of Scotland, Ulster Bank, or Metal. Customization options are limited compared to more modular systems, and businesses with unusual workflows may find the structure slightly rigid. It's a platform that works best when your business fits standard UK accounting models. In terms of public reputation, both tools perform well on Trustpilot. FreeAgent holds an excellent Trustpilot rating with thousands of reviews, typically scoring in the mid to high 4-star range. Users consistently praise its tax automation, reporting accuracy, and accountant friendliness, while commonly mentioning pricing and flexibility as downsides. ClearBooks also scores strongly on Trustpilot, generally sitting in the 4-star range, with users highlighting simplicity, helpful support, and value for money. Ratings change over time and vary by review volume, so always check the latest Trustpilot listings for the most up-to-date information. The final takeaway is clear. If you want a simple, low-cost accounting solution with generous free plans that cover the essentials, ClearBooks is an excellent option. If your priority is deep tax automation, structured reporting, and a system that accountants genuinely trust, FreeAgent is the stronger long-term choice. Click the link below to explore both platforms, review the plans, and see which one fits how you actually run your business. And if this comparison helped you save time or money, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next software breakdown.